students, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. Today we are going to learn what is multi-level queue scheduling. It may happen that processes in the ready queue can be divided into different classes where each class has its own scheduling needs. For example, a common division is a foreground interactive process and background batch processes. These two classes have different scheduling needs. For this kind of situation, multi-level queue scheduling is used. Ready queue is divided into separate queues for each class of processes. For example, let us take three different types of process: system processes, interactive processes, and batch processes. All these processes have their own queues. Like this, in the below figure, system process has the highest priority and batch process has the lowest priority. Scheduling among the queues. There may be several processes in one queue, so we need scheduling algorithms for every queue. Fixed priority preemptive scheduling method. Each queue has absolute priority over lower priority queues. Let us consider following priority order: Q1 greater than Q2 greater than Q3. According to this algorithm, no process in the batch queue can run unless Q1 and Q2 are empty. If any batch process is running and any system or interactive processes enters the ready queue, the batch process is preempted. Time slicing. In this method, each queue gets certain portion of CPU time and can use it to schedule its own processes. For instance, Q1 takes 50% of CPU time, Q2 takes 30%, and Q3 takes 20% of CPU time. For example, consider below table of 4 processes under multi-level queue scheduling. Queue number denotes the queue of the process. Priority of Q1 is greater than Q2. Q1 uses round robin with time counter 2 and Q2 uses first come first serve. Below is the Gantt chart of the problem. At starting, both queues have process, so process in Q1, that is P1 and P2 with queue number 1 runs first because of highest priority in the round robin fashion and completes after 7 units. Then process in Q2, that is P3, starts running as there is no process in Q1. But while it is running, P4 comes at 10 seconds and in Q1 and interrupts P3 and starts running for 5 seconds. And after its completion, P3 takes the CPU and completes its execution. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this. Please leave us your likes and comments.